Good morning, children. Today, let's start our second chapter, Our Environment, Chapter 2, Local Occupations and Business. Do you know who are who are helpers and what they do? Right, what they do. Have you ever thought who made the things that are your favorite and how have they been made? Have you ever made any such things? Let's start the chapter. We will today in this class we will learn local occupations and businesses and who do our help. Let's start. First is the carpenter. Carpenter. This is the Ramu Kaka, and whatever the name, he makes curved furniture like chair, table, sofa set, doors, etc. with wood. For making wooden things, he uses the boards of mangoes, rosewood, kika, teak wood, and cedar, etc. His occupation is called carpentry. Ramu Kaka makes wooden things with the help of tools shown in the pictures like hammer, chisel, plane, jack, drill, file, wrench, iron saw. And what wooden things are there in your house? Which wood is used to make those things? Have you ever been to any carpenter shop and observed his tool and work? Second is potter, who makes soil objects and clay objects for our soil is used in many ways in our lives. Given below are the pictures shown below of things that are made by clay. Look at the clay object in the picture. The person who make all these things out of clay is called potter. Before making the pots, the potter kneads the clay properly and then he gave the proper shape to it with his hand using a wheel. The wet pots are then dried and baked in fire. For baking the pots, oven is made by collecting the pots at one place and covering them with during dung cakes. Then it is set on fire. The pots get baked and become ready to sell within 2 to 3 days. Do you know the stick used to run the potter's wheel is called chakreti, and the socket on the wheel is the socket on the wheel in which it is fixed is called gulvi. The pot in which water is kept while working on wheels is called kundi, and the tools which are used for beating the pots during making are called thapa and pindi. Next, our local occupation is tailoring. Tailor. The clothes which you wear are stitched using hands and machines. The person who stitches the clothes are called tailor. The tools of the tailor are scissor, sewing machine, measuring tapes, needle, thread and buttons. Look at the pictures and tell the things that are used by tailor for stitching clothes. Next, our local occupation is farming. Farmer. Mostly's father are the farmer. Do you know? The person who does farming is called a farmer. He is also known as agriculturist and cultivator. They prepare the field for sowing the seeds. In the process of farming, they sow the seeds and at regular interval irrigate, weed and hoe the field. They protect the plant from diseases and take care of them. When the grains and vegetables ripe, they are made available to the people for their use. Some farmers also cultivate fruits such as banana, guava, mango, papaya, strawberry, gooseberry, amla, etc. A farmer cultivates the field using the tools like sieves, towel, hoe, sticks, plots. Mostly have in your own home. Meet a farmer and find out the work for which he used tools. Bla- next, next our local occupation is blacksmith. Blacksmith heats the iron in the furnace to make the iron objects. When the iron becomes red hot, then blacksmith molds it into a desired shape. He makes gates, grills, railings, hose, utensils by using tools like hammer, chisel, blower shown in the picture right away. Visit a blacksmith with your elders and observe the things being made by him and make a list of tools that he uses for making objects. Next, our local occupation is mason. Mason, the person who makes your house with the help of soil, cement, grit, sand, iron, wood is called mason. The tools used by mason to construct house and multi-story building are hammer, chisel, file, trowel, thread, pump, bevel, patta, bowel level, etc. Next, our local occupation is doctor. Doctor who give the medicine when we get sick. Raju had a very high fever and his father called the doctor. Doctor examined Raju by placing his stethoscope on Raju's chest. After that, he advised to take some medicine in the morning and in the afternoon and in the evening at regular intervals. Raju asked his father what did the doctor placed on his chest. After putting one end on its into his ear, what was that and how did he came to know with it that I had fever? Seeing Raju's curiosity, his father told him that the medicine those one end the doctor had put into his ears and the other on his chest for examining is called stethoscope. With the help of stethoscope, we hear the heartbeats, we hear the heartbeats and find out some of the diseases of chest and body. Raju said, Dad, what are the names of the equipments the doctor and doctor uncle had and what are their uses? And shown in the pictures below, stethoscope to hear the heartbeats, sphygmometer to record the blood pressure, stopwatch to record the respiratory rate, weighing machine to record the weight, thermometer to record the temperature of our body, and bandage to cover the bounce part of the body. You too can find out the rate of the heartbeat, run fast up to 50 to 100 meters. Now put our hands on your chest. You will be able to hear your heartbeat. Next, our local occupation is cobbler. The cobbler works very hard to make shoes which we all wear using his tools. The tools used by the cobbler are shoe anvil, shoe pliers, anvil thread, dairy, javia, sila punch, kotbri brush, and etc. You can see in the left side of the picture. And think, if cobbler did not mend shoes, what problems would you faced? Would you feel and would you have faced? Next occupation is sweeper. Every morning the sweeper leaves his home to clean our streets and colonies. He uses a variety of brooms of different sizes for cleaning. To collect the garbage, he had pen, scutter, basket, bucket. After cleaning, he disposes of the collected garbage in its proper places. He himself remains surrounded by filth and protect us from different type of diseases. Next, now are the exercise question. Try to solve these questions from the book. What is the work of farmer? Second question is, whom do you go to when you fall sick? And what does the sweeper do? And try to find out the fill in the blanks. Makes earthen cup, pitcher, and earthen lamps. The person who makes is the who? Potter. Makes chair, table, and other wooden objects. Carpenter. Grows weeds and vegetables in the field. Farmer. Prescribes medicine and giving injection when we fall sick. Doctor. Make a house with the help of cement, sand, and bricks. Mason. And write the name of the peoples associated with the local occupations and their work and the work done by them and objects made by them in the table by asking them. Blacksmith, tailor, carpenter, cobbler, mason, potter. And visit the person who is associated with the any local occupation in your surrounding area or in your base and ask him the following questions. Which tools do they use? Who makes these tools and how? Where do these tools come from? What process do they adopt in the work related to their occupations? How do they deliver the products and derived from their occupation to the market? And next fifth question is, visit the construction site with your teacher or the parents, meet the machine working there to find out how and for what purpose the tools are used. Thank you for today's chapter and today's lesson. Goodbye.